Alright, welcome back to another festival episode of Happy Islander TV. We are now in the municipality of Tiwi, Albay for the Coron Festival Street Dance Competition. This is Cluster 3. We have 5 clusters competing for this year's Street Dance Competition Championship. And this is Cluster 3 of the Coron Festival Street Dance Competition. Here we go. The reason kung bakit binisita ng Happy Islander TV itong municipality of Tiwi, because we have been attending Kasanggayahan Festival, the regional competition, for the past 3 years, and Coron Festival is one of the most competitive contingents that we have every year. So that's why pinaputi natin na pumunta dito ngayon mismo sa kanilang municipal battle. So we have 5 clusters competing for this year's championship for the Coron Festival Street Dance Competition.
Forward. Pusok ba sana punya kita? Forward.
So again, this is Cluster 3 of the Coron Festival Street Dance Competition in the municipality of Tiwi. Yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, we have our Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube account. Please follow and subscribe at the Happy Islander TV. the performance of Cluster 3 for the Municipality of Tiwi's Coron Festival. Thank you so much for subscribing. Yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, it's Happy Islander TV on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok.